You've been frustrated about the number of views you're getting on TikTok and suspect you're being shadow banned. I'm going to show you how you can easily figure it out if you are. The challenge is, what are you going to do about it? Let's discuss. Today we're talking about how to figure out if TikTok is shadow banning you and what you're going to do about it. First of all, what does shadow banning mean? It means that TikTok is making the decision that your content is not going to be seen by the general public. Maybe it's because you violated some community rules. Maybe it's because you posted something that's inappropriate. TikTok is making the decision you're not going to post your content for the For You page, meaning that new people will not get to see your content. But it also means that the ban doesn't affect the people that actually follow you. It may not make a huge difference if you have a huge amount of followers. If you have a small amount of followers, like 200, and you're being shadow banned, then maybe just a few of those people are actually going to see your content. You won't be exposed to new people on a grand scale. So the first thing is, let's look at your TikTok account and see if you're shadow banned. Pick up your phone and open up your TikTok account. Scroll down to a video. Open the video. At the bottom, you're going to see 3 dots. Click the 3 dots and click on Analytics. Once you do, scroll down to the bottom, and under traffic sources, you'll see 2 categories. One of them is For You category, and the other is Following You category. Both of these percentages are of people that TikTok has shown your content to. So if your video is getting 80% of For You and 15% of Following You, you know you're not being banned. But if the reverse is true and you're getting like 0 For You and the rest is from your subscribers, you are probably being shadow banned. And if you're in between 80 and 0, probably means your content sucks. So again, if you're less than 20%, meaning you're being shadow banned. It probably means there are a number of things that could be wrong. 1, your video quality could be bad. You might be reposting other people's content, or you might be saying restricted names or things that are on the restricted list. So if you are being shadow banned, there are a number of things you can do. Number 1, email customer service and see if anything you can do to restore your service to full access. Number 2, log out and take a break. Don't post for a while, then log back in and see if that helps. Number 3, delete the app and reinstall it. Sometimes that helps. Number 4, start a second channel and migrate your subscribers over to the second channel so you aren't starting from 0 and abandon the original channel. If that doesn't work, start over with a new channel, which I know really sucks, but try not to make the same mistakes again. In the end, TikTok could be banned from the US. And so it's a good idea to diversify if TikTok goes under, so you don't go under yourself. Your business could be on TikTok, it could be on Instagram, it could be on YouTube, it could be on other social media. TikTok goes down, you won't go down with it.